of June 2024 of current affair most important series. And I'm really very sorry, first of all, you all one, just because of the reason the last one few days, like a 4 or 5 days, I have not taken current affair special session just because of the reason my health issues was. But today is Sunday, and this day I will your whole current affair series from 5th of June to 30th of June. That means today finally we will cover our current affair series totally on the actual level. Clear up, we will similar work and everything in the detailing. So without wasting time, we are here with our 25th of June current affairs series of 2024. Let's start the journey. Start now. We have prepared our special notes. Okay, so with the help of this special notes we will perform our best. So the question number first saying, so first of all, this understand 25th of June 2024. Okay, 25th of June 2024 current affair series have this current affair series. Clear? Okay, most important questions have here. Number first question was saying how many medals, sorry, before the is this starting, firstly quotes of the day, motivation, right? Motivation of the day. What motivation of the day have? If you can change your mind, if you can change your mind, okay, you can change your life. Okay, clear? Today motivation of the day was saying if you can change your mind, you can change your life. That means if you can able to be change your mind, whatever your mind saying, those work you not doing, whatever your heart saying, those work not doing. That means if you can able to control on your mind, then definitely you can control your life and you can change your life as per you want. So that main mean to changing your life. Before change your life, you need to change your mind. First of all, which candidate can change their mind? Those candidate can easily change their life also. Clear have? Understand? So first priority give to your mind changing, then your life automatically will be changed. Question number first, what saying? Let's note down. How many time has Max Verstappen okay, Verstappen won the Spanish Formula One guard pricks consecutively. Okay, consecutively. Clear, huh? How many time has Max Verstappen won the Spanish Formula One Grand Prix consecutively? Options are once, twice, and next is thrice. Oh, sorry, fifth have, okay? Fifth. Another is thrice or three can speak. Oh, three spelling wrong hai. Thrice right, better. Clear have? Question was saying how many time has Max Verstappen won the Spanish Formula One Grand Prix consecutively? Options have once time, twice times, fifth times, or thrice times. So the right answer of this question is beta how many times? So thrice time. Clear have? How many times? Thrice time. Thrice time he won the thrice time Max Verstappen won the Spanish Formula 1 Grand Prix consecutively. Clear have beta? Okay, most important question have. Clear have? Okay, one time make comment you are receiving quality good or not. One time make comment everyone receiving quality good or not. Okay, next question. Erase this. Okay. Clear. Another question saying how many medals did, second number, how many medals did the armed forces medical services, that is AFMS, Armed Forces Medical Services, officers win at the 43rd World Medical and Health Games in Saint-Tropez, France. Clear have? How many medals did the Armed Forces Medical Services, AFMS, full form of AFMS, Armed Forces Medical Services, officers win at the 43rd World Medical and Health Games in the Saint-Tropez, France. Clear have? Options are 12 medals, options is 18 medals, option is 32 medals, option is 36 medals beta. Clear have? 36 medals beta. Clear have? Okay, here saying how many medals did the Armed Forces Medical Services, AFMS, officers win at the 43rd World Medical and Health Games in Saint-Tropez, France. Options are 12 medals, 18 medals, 32 medals, 36 medals. So the right answer will be beta, how many medals have? 32 medals. Now you will think in 32 which medals have, those here understand. Total 32 medals have beta. Clear have? In 32 here write beta, in 32 medals beta, 32 medals total have, yes or no? In 32 medals beta, total gold 19 medals have, gold 19 have, plus silver 9 have beta, silver beta how much have? 9 have beta, plus beta bronze how much have? Bronze beta 4 have beta. Count down, 19 plus 9 equal 28, 28 plus 4 equal beta 32. Total how much one have beta? 32. So okay, 32 medals, gold 19 medals, silver 9 medal, bronze 4 medals. Clear have beta? Who won the beta? So forces have. Okay, forces, Armed Forces Medical Services. Clear have beta? Those officers win this 43rd World Medical and Health Games in Saint-Tropez, France. Clear have beta? Okay, now next question, most important questions we have discussed. Next question was saying National Anti-Doping clear, National Anti-Doping Agency, National Anti-Doping Agency, that is called NADA, that is called NADA, National Anti-Doping Agency, has once again beta, what have, has once again beta, has once again suspended Olympic okay बेटा, Olympic medalist, okay, right है, medalist wrestler, okay, medalist wrestler बजरंग पुनिया for an anti-doping rule violence बेटा, क्लियर है बेटा, rule violence. he is from which state? he is from which state? options are beta हरियाणा, option is उत्तर प्रदेश, option is मध्य प्रदेश, option is बेटा ओडिशा. क्लियर है बेटा. क्वेश्चन व्हाट आस्किंग, नेशनल एंटी डोपिंग एजेंसी, व्हाट है बेटा, नेशनल एंटी डोपिंग एजेंसी, that is NADA, has once again suspended Olympic medalist wrestler, okay, to whom suspended? Olympic medalist wrestler Bajrang Punia, for the reason for an anti-doping rule violence, okay, anti-doping rule violation. he is from which state? So whom asking beta, Bajrang Punia belonging from which state beta? Bajrang Punia has suspended for anti-doping rule violation, okay, and Bajrang Punia belong from which state beta? So the right answer beta what have, हरियाणा है और उत्तर प्रदेश है और मध्य प्रदेश और ओडिशा. which will be the right answer beta? So right answer will be हरियाणा, option number first. clear है, Bajrang Punia belong from Haryana. clear है बेटा, understand, and he is suspended by बेटा national anti-doping agency. National anti-doping agency once again suspended to gold what है बेटा, Olympic medalist wrestler Bajrang Punia, okay, on the reason of बेटा here what have, anti-doping rule violation. clear है, okay. now we are at the best level series, we are at the current affair, most important questions here we are discussing only, which is most important for you all guys, okay. So going to erase these questions, you continue with the next series. clear beta. next number 4th, what saying, what is the name of ISRO? right, what is the name of ISRO? what is the name of ISRO spacecraft? ISRO's है बेटा, okay, ISRO's spacecraft involved in achieving a third consecutive okay बेटा, third consecutive, clear have, in the RLV landing experiment experiment. What have beta? RLV landing experiment. RLV landing experiment. So full form. Okay beta. Here L, one more thing, right? LEX, lex है. Number first option what saying beta? Vikram. Second option what saying? Puspak. Puspak. Third option saying Agni. And fourth option saying Garud. Okay, clear? Have question saying what is the name of ISRO's spacecraft? Asking the name of ISRO's spacecraft which is involved in achieving a third consecutive in the RLV landing. RLV landing experiment. What is the full form of RLV beta? Reversible landing vehicle beta. What have? Reversible landing vehicle. What have? Reversible landing vehicle. Okay, experimental LEX. Clear have? So options are Vikram, Puspak, Agni and Garud. So the right option of this question is beta Puspak. Clear have? Puspak is involved in the achieving third consecutive in the RLV, reversible landing vehicle. RLV, reversible landing vehicle. Most important have understand. Okay, I am here writing a reversible landing vehicle beta. Clear have? Reversible landing vehicle, that mean RLV. Clear? Any doubt, any problem, any candidate, then easily can make comment. Next question what saying? Bharat Biotech International, Bharat Biotech International. Clear है? Bharat Biotech International Limited. Bharat Biotech International Limited, that is BBI. Okay, BBIL. Bharat Biotech International Limited. Clear है? Will include the Indian. Will include. Clear है? Will include the Indian Council. The Indian Council of Medical Research this E है बेटा, medical research, that is called ICMR. Okay, including Council Medical Research as the co-owner of the patient, not patent, right? Okay, patent here, of the patent for which vaccine. Clear have? For which vaccine? Options are Covaxin. Second option, this is XIN have Covaxin. Second, Covishield. And third is Sputnik. And fourth is Moderna. Moderna है. Clear? Question what saying this understand firstly beta. Question saying Bharat Biotech International Limited, that is BBIL. Bharat Biotech International Limited will include, okay, the Indian Council of Medical Research, that is ICMR. Indian, okay, here understand, Indian Council Medical Research as the एज द को है बेटा, को ओनर ऑफ द पेटेंट फॉर विच वैक्सीन, क्लियर है। ऑप्शन इज कोवैक्सीन एंड कोविशील्ड और स्पुतनिक और बेटा मोडेरा। सो राइट आंसर विल बी बेटा, राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन विल बी बेटा विच है कोवैक्सीन बेटा, क्लियर है, कोवैक्सीन। So you will see then going to become Indian Council Medical Research going to be become co-owner of the patent of vaccine Covaxin, clear है, Covaxin, clear है, understand? Now move for the next question. Okay, next question saying the high level committee, clear, the high level, 6th number, okay beta, the high level, the high level committee, okay, the high level committee of experts for ensuring transport smooth, transparent है वो ना, transparent smooth, clear है, transparent smooth and fair conduct of examinations through national testing, okay, through national testing agency, that full form is beta NTA, national testing agency, is chaired by beta, option says नानक सिंह, सेकेंड ऑप्शन इज बेटा लक्ष्मीपुरी, एंड थर्ड ऑप्शन हरीश खुल्लर and next is beta number 4th is K Radhakrishnan, clear है। Question saying the high level, understand, the high level committee of experts for the ensuring, the high level committee of the experts for ensuring the transparent, smooth and fair conduct of examination, that mean beta smooth and transparent and fair conduct examination through the national testing agency NTA, national testing agency is chaired by beta, national testing agency is chaired by beta with whom, so right option will be beta R Radhakrishnan, sorry K Radhakrishnan is the right answer. K Radhakrishnan is beta chairing beta national testing agency beta, okay, understand? Any problem? Hope not have, because trying to make you sure well level, okay. Next question what saying, those understand, the group of the ministers, right, the group of minister, the group of ministers to give recommendation, okay, recommendations on rate beta, on rate rationalization, okay बेटा, rationalization, rate rationalization for GST, for GST has been reconstituted, okay बेटा, constituted with which deputy, with which deputy chief minister as the new convener, okay beta. Question what saying this, understand, question what saying, you everyone understand. First of all, this important, the group of ministers means the group of the ministers to give recommendations on rate rationalization for GST has been reconstituted with which deputy chief minister as the new convener, okay, as the new convener. Clear है? Options what है बेटा, note down firstly options, नानक सिंह, second option लक्ष्मीपुरी, and third option सम्राट चौधरी, and next is beta Vishal Pandey, VP Vishal Pandey. Okay, so the right answer, who became the convener beta, who became which deputy chief minister as the new convener beta? So right answer will be beta, right answer will be, make comment fast, right option will be, which option will be right beta, you everyone make comment. So the last option which have fourth number, VP Vishal Pandey, VP full form Vishal Pandey, clear है, VP full form Vishal Pandey, clear है, understand. Now next question moving, just a second wait, okay. क्लियर है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 सेइंग, वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन है, इंटरनेशनल विडोज डे, 8th नंबर, इंटरनेशनल, ओके बेटा, इंटरनेशनल विडोज डे is observed on option से बेटा 23rd June, second option 22 June, and third option 18 June, fourth option is 26 June. Question what saying? Question saying beta National Widows Day. What saying? International Widows Day is observed on which day beta? So this observing on beta 23rd of June beta. When beta? 23rd of June observed as Widows Day, International Widows Day. Clear है? Next beta United Public Service one second. United Public, okay, United Public Service Day is observed on. Options what है बेटा? Options what है बेटा? 18 June. Option what have 21 June. And option what have 28 June. And what option have 23 June beta. Question what asked have? Question saying United Public Service Day, that is UPS. Okay, UPS, United Public Service Day observed on. Right answer will be beta 23rd June. 23rd June is celebrated and observed on as a United Public Service Day and International Widows Day. Clear hai beta? So this way today we have covered our most important and most essential part of 25th June of current affairs series, which is most important of questions for your examination, and we have taken important series question. If you want to extra classes, if you want to something extra for your practice, then you can visit on YouTube. You can visit on YouTube by MAB Academy. MAB Academy is one of the platform, one of the best and one of the first platform where you will get to find out your most important series for SSC aspirants. You will get the best opportunity to understand. For any information related, any topics, anything related SSC, you can visit on Satyam Misra. Okay, and for the free classes for SSC, whole lectures, whole videos, whole content in live streaming free of cost on MAB classes. Clear? On MAB classes. Clear hai beta? So as per you are looking, these all the channels are available on YouTube. You can visit on MAB Academy, MAB classes and Satyam Misra to get you make sure everything satisfy level, and you can make yourself happy with your next level of understanding. So thank you so much. Give me permission to continue stop this session. We will meet you with next level stream new session, and today the Sunday, today we will complete whole remain content of current affairs series which we have remained, and today 25th of June we have completed. We will complete 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30 all whole lectures. You will get video on your this official platform. So thank you so much. Give me permission. Best of luck. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. I am your Satyam Misra on MAB classes official platform, free of cost and without any pay classes. Here you can best level study. Thank you so much.